All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that India's brutal occupation of the Kashmir poses a challenge to the international community, urging the resolution of the long-standing dispute in accordance with the UN resolutions and the aspirations of the Kashmiri people. APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said no amount of killings, arrest or torture will deter the Kashmiris from their quest of the freedom. On the 8th martyrdom anniversary of the martyr Burhan Muzaffar Wani, the people of Karachi, under the leadership of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, held a rally to pay homage to the youthful martyr of the Kashmir and other martyrs of the Kashmir who laid their lives for the sacred cause of freedom from Indian clutches. Convener APHC AJK chapter Ghulam Muhammad Safi led the rally in Karachi, while thousands of the people participated in the rally. New Delhi controlled State Investigation Agency has arrested a person in Srinagar. The SIA, along with the Indian Forces personnel, conducted a house raid and arrested Ahmed Mala on the fake charges related to a case registered against him in 2013. Indian police have arrested over 15 persons following an alleged murder of a youth in the Jammu district. The body of Sahil Chaudhary was found in a pool of blood. Meanwhile, 4 members of a family were killed in a tragic road accident in Handwara Tehsil in the Kupwara district. At least 5 Indian troops, including a junior commissioned officer and a head constable, were killed and 5 others were injured in an attack in the Kathua district. The incident occurred when 2 Indian Army vehicles were targeted with grenades and automatic rifle fire by the unknown attackers on the Monday afternoon. High Court quashed the detention orders issued under the draconian law, the Public Safety Act, against 3 Kashmiri detainees. The bench quashed the detention orders of Ishfaq Ahmed from Shopian and Mir Nasrullah and Mohammad Ramzan from Srinagar.